Igbo Igbo ekene muno. No na canal Igbo Tutorials. Aha mbụ Nwaada Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Na nkụzi ụbọchị taa anyị ga-amụ maka enyemaka ngwa. Tutu anyị ebido, ọ bụrụ na itinyebere anyị n'akara Igbo Tutorials, biko mee nke a. Ọ bụrụ na ị dị nkwadobe ka anyị bido. Hello and welcome to Igbo Tutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about adverbs in the Igbo language. Before we start, please subscribe to this channel, like this channel, share this channel, and put on the notification button for new lessons every week. If you're ready, let's begin. So the first set of adverbs we are going to learn today is here. Quickly. How do you say quickly in Igbo? You say ngwa, 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 or say so. Okay? Come here quickly. Bia eba or say so, or bia eba ngwa ngwa. We have two variants because it depends on the dialect and which part of the Igbo, but they are all correct. Moving on, the next one usually is otutu mgbe. Usually, that means it's frequent, it happens. Say otutu mgbe. Otutu is a lot, like otutu a lot. Mgbe is like in time, okay? They say otutu mgbe, usually. Slowly is wayo or wayo wayo for emphasis. Again, ozo or ozokwa. Again, ozokwa is for emphasis. It's funny when I say again, then again. Okay? Ozokwa is for emphasis. Ozo is again. Okay? Now, ubua. Only. Nani. Soon. Mgbe na-adịghị. Mgbe na-adịghị. Although some say mgbe na-adịghị anya. Okay? Mgbe na-adịghị anya, mgbe na-adịghị. Soon. Today is ta or tata. Tomorrow, echi. Yesterday, ụnyaahụ. Badly, ọjọọ. Almost, ụfọdụ, ntakịrị. Almost. Ntakịrị alone means little, okay? You can say it's remaining a little. And it's the same thing as almost. Ụfọdụ, ntakịrị. Very is ọfụma or rienne. Very. There. Ebe ahụ. Ebe ahụ. Here. Ebe a. Okay? There. Ebe ahụ. Here. Ebe a. Okay? Never. Ncha ncha or mancha. Ncha ncha or mancha. Sometimes. Mgbe ụfọdụ. Mgbe ụfọdụ. Immediately. Ozugbo. Ozugbo. Come here immediately. Bịa ebe a ozugbo ozugbo. So that brings us to the end of today's lesson. I sincerely hope that you were able to remember one or two words. If you have questions, please come to the comment section and ask your questions. Or any contribution, it might not be a question. Come to the comment section. Don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Till next time, see you. Gomesia Ndibaye.